Dragonfire Tools, quality affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio.
Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is rolling along. And we are rolling along talking about muscle cars. Now, Catherine, last time you were here, we were talking about Vicrez and how we can take our muscle car and upgrade it, make it look great, make it perform better, and not spend a whole lot of money. Now, how many parts are there in the Vicrez catalog that can help me boost my vehicle and make it look better?
So right now we are running with 3,500 products, so our line is very extensive.
And very extensive. We're talking wraps. You have the protection film that'll just keep your paint job fresh and protect the paint, and also different colors in the wraps. So how many colors are we talking?
Talking about 350 colors.
And we've seen here on some of the Mopar cars you brought in here, the wide body kits. And those are kind of all the rage here. You guys can't keep these in stock. And these are super easy to put on. How do they attach?
With brackets and double-sided 3M tape.
That's it.
That's
so
it.
In the afternoon, you are good to go. You throw some new tires on that thing and you're grooving. All right, and also you brought some wheels, which add to the performance of the vehicle. And we see them here in 3 different colors and 3 different materials. So tell us what you brought.
We did bring 2 forged wheels, so 1 and 2 piece, 1 piece, and then the cast. So they're all differently made. We also do carry 3 piece.
On the Charger here, we put on a new exhaust system here in the studio, and it's going to make the vehicle sound a little different, a little more aggressive. And how much horsepower are you getting out of a new exhaust system from Vicrez?
It should give you around 15 to 20 horsepower more.
So for very little effort, not a whole lot of money, you get 15 or 20 extra horsepower out of it. Now, let's talk about the installation process. Of course, we have the luxury of the lift, but you can do this with the car up on stands or something like that. So what's the process like?
The process is very like plug and play. So you literally bolt off your other one and you put this one in together and you bolt everything in place, and it shouldn't take you more than about an hour, 2 hours.
Very cool, and you look and sound even cooler than you did before. Let's talk about, someone comes into Vicrez and they have an idea for their dream car, how they want it to look, how they want it to sound, how they want it to perform. How do you take that vision and create the car of their dreams?
We could go ahead and do a 3D render and build it into 360, put everything that they would like to see on the car, from a full wrap to the wide body, wheels, whatever they like, and showcase that to them.
And they can make the changes with your designers and tweak everything as they want to go along?
Correct. They could work with the designers in-house and get their car built as however they would like.
Do you find people just doing one little thing at a time, or do they do the whole spectrum and overhaul the whole car?
There is some people that do it full blast in one shot, and there is some people that take it step by step.
So you take little bites if you want to, or if you need to. What is it like when someone comes in with an idea for a vehicle and then the first time they see their dream car sitting there?
It's amazing. It's like they're mind blown. So it's always a good feeling seeing the customer happy.
Well, you can be happy with your muscle car. You can have the car of your dreams and you don't have to spend a fortune doing it. Check them out at Vicrez.com. 6, believe it or not, 6 drawers is all it takes to fit all of the tools you see here on the floor into a Dragonfire Tools workbench. Lou, how did you do it?
Well, with a combination of things, really. So you have shallow drawers on our workbenches that allow you to stand deep well sockets up in, so you can still open and close the drawer. And then we have drawer organization, right? You don't want to open a drawer and just have sockets and wrenches everywhere.
Like mine.
So we have some organizational tools here. One of them is from Toolbox Widget, and the other one is for sockets for Ernst Manufacturing.
And those enable you to not only organize everything, but to actually label them all and keep them in proper order all the time, so every tool has a place. And of course, the drawers can hold all these tools because they're so strong. What makes them so durable?
So the 16-gauge galvanized steel drawer bodies are really durable, right? A lot of toolboxes out there use 18 or 20 gauge for their drawer bodies. We also have top hat gussets underneath the drawer for strength and rigidity of the drawer to keep them from flexing with heavy weight in them. And then also we have the drawer rails, which are rated for 200 pounds for single rail drawers and 400 pounds for double rail drawers.
A lot of toolboxes, when I pull the drawers out, there's a bunch of useless space and I've got to find tools back up in there. I've got a socket, maybe it goes and falls down behind. How did you solve that problem at Dragonfire Tools?
We designed the drawers so that when you pull the drawers out, they pull out 100%. So even your tools in the very back of the drawer are accessible from the side or from the front.
You can maximize your space with a workbench from Dragonfire Tools. And if you're lucky enough to have a whole bunch of tools and you need more space, well, guess what? You can make an entire system. You can find it all at DragonfireTools.com. And there is a special discount code there for Motorhead Garage viewers. Enter code Motorhead for a discount and free shipping. Man, everyone who comes here to the studio loves our Dragonfire Tools toolbox. And you're going to love what's coming up next here on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. More great products when we come back.